was that? Hey everyone, it's Paige and welcome back to my channel. The gardeners just got here, so if you hear them in the background, I'm very, very sorry. Today I'm going to be filming a Q&A for you guys, and I asked you on Instagram, Twitter, maybe Snapchat. I think I'm going to probably just answer the most asked questions, and yeah. You guys asked some really juicy questions. Okay, first question is, let's start off with like the least juiciest question. Okay, how old are you? I'm 18. I actually just turned 18. I'm like kind of like a baby adult-ish. Next question is, who is your biggest celebrity crush? Okay, I always get it confused. It's, okay, wait, hold on, let me Google it. Oh, okay, Chris Pine. Ugh. This question. Okay, why did you and Love break up and are you still friends? Okay, honestly, Lev and I broke up a really long time ago, and not a really long time ago, but it was like not recent at all. And we did break up. Obviously you guys knew because we stopped posting pictures together and like we deleted pictures, the whole Instagram. It's so annoying how people think people break up because they stop posting pictures, and it's like so true, but it's just like, ugh. Anyways, we broke up just because he had his thing, I had my thing, and like hanging out kind of became like a, oh, when am I gonna see you, not just like a, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see you. So I don't know, but I really do hope he's happy, and I think we're both moved on, so yeah, it's not a big deal at all answering that. I'm glad I got that out of the way now. Next question. Have you ever snuck a boy into your house? Definitely haven't. Guys, I'm a good kid. I don't even think I've ever thought of sneaking anyone into my house. Parents are really cool about like hanging out and like guys in my room. Like they really, like they definitely care, but they're very like we understand each other. Like they trust me and like all that stuff. So no, I haven't. Okay, next question is last text you sent. Ooh, what is the last text I sent? I think it was to Bailey saying hi, boo. Next one is worst kiss story. Guys! Okay, so first I just want to start off by saying I don't think anyone is a bad kisser. I've had this talk with so many people and everyone disagrees with me whenever I tell them this. But I don't think anyone's a bad kisser. I just think that two people like have to have chemistry, and if they don't have the chemistry or like thing going on together, then they just like don't mix. Because like I could kiss someone and think they're an awful kisser, and then some other girl could kiss him and she would think that he's like the world's best kisser, but that's because they have like better chemistry together. But anyways, I've had a really bad kiss. Pretty much all it was that I was kissing them and everything, and they like bit my lip, but it wasn't like a good biting my lip type of thing. It was like an ow, that really hurts. So then it was like, it happened, and then I was like, ow, like, you just bit my lip, dude. But then I was like, okay, I'm gonna like, kind of low-key tell him that he like bit my lip, and I was like, ow. And then he just bit my lip again. Oh, it was awful. So yeah, that did not go well. It's just because we didn't have good chemistry together. It's not because he was a bad kisser. And I'm not going to tell you guys who it was because that's just like a shitty thing to do. Next one is, what is your pressed freeze order? Ooh, I love pressed freeze. Okay, I usually get the vanilla. Always vanilla. I don't like the chocolate. Always vanilla. And strawberries around it. And like a ton of strawberries, but then that's it. I really like it just plain. Oh. And then I get I think it's the almond butter thing, and they like put it on top. It's really good. Next question is, how many relationships have you been in? I think I've only been in 2 relationships. It was Lev and then my current boyfriend now that you guys don't know about, but now you do. I feel like it's just like, you guys are curious now, so I might as well just answer this one now. It is, how did you and your boyfriend meet? Okay, so it's kind of embarrassing for me, but a year ago, no, like 2 years ago, a really long time ago, guys, I was with my friend Sarah, and she went to the same high school as him, so like she was friends with him, or not really friends with him, but she had mutual friends with him, and so I thought he was really cute because she showed me his Instagram, or actually I don't even know how I heard of him long story short, I thought he was really cute, so she was like, oh my gosh, Paige, I dare you to DM him, and I can't, like, reject a dare, so I slid in his DMs. I know. So anyways, I slid in his DMs, and he read it. He opened it, guys, and he didn't reply. I know. So I was like, oh, shit. So I just deleted it. I unsent my message, like, you know, the usual when... I honestly don't slide in DMs. Like, I never, ever have ever slid in DMs. He is literally the only person I had DM'd, and I can't believe I just said I slid in his DMs, but I did. Oh, wait, let me finish the story. So, oh, the lighting totally just changed. I'm really sorry. And, like, a year later, I get a notification on Instagram saying, like, blah, 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 Caleb sent you a message, and I was like, no, it cannot be the same guy. But it was him. So he slid in my DMs. So we both kind of slid in each other's DMs, and yeah, now we're dating. Next question is, how long have you and Bailey been friends? Bailey and I have been friends since we were like 8, I think, 7 or 8. We met when we were like babies. Someone said, worst thing that has happened at a party. I'm trying to think, worst thing that's happened at a party. Probably someone's just like yacked. That's gross. Ugh, I hate when people yak. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so boring, guys. Ugh. That is it, everyone. I think this Q&A was fun and kind of entertaining, I hope, at least, because they were like kind of juicier questions and not just like the basic boring ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, we hit 16K. That's like insane. 16K, I know it's like not a lot compared to other people, but to me it's like really, really cool. And I really want to do a giveaway. I feel like I'm just like kind of stuck on like what people would want in a giveaway. And I know you guys would be grateful for like anything, but comment down below what would be like a really cool giveaway, because I want to do an awesome one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.